Bill from Greer, South Carolina, has a question about home building.
He's run into this slab problem here, Tom. You may not know exactly what he's talking about, but you will in a minute.
You see a bunch of schmutz.
Yeah, it's a drain, and some other stuff here ready to go. Anyway, the toilet stub in, which is what you're looking at there,
it's too far away from the wall.
Is 23 inches from the back wall. There it is.
I know. You're going to be sitting out there with all your glory, pal.
See, Bill, you working with Tom, you're just on autopilot some days around here. Anyway, so will this be able to be corrected for future plumbing? I understand the slab will have to be jackhammered and this thing moved about 10 inches. He wonders, how would you correct this?
I've corrected that many times in my building career. Sometimes it happens and you just don't catch it, or you refigure the home a little bit and then you just bust out a little piece of concrete, you move the drain, you fill it up, and everything is going to be hunky-dory. Just get it out of your mind that it's a bad thing. It's not.
Okay, so it's no big deal to move that pipe.
No, but it's a big deal for the plumber because he has to move it.
Now, Russell,
he doesn't get paid extra.
Right, but Bill, here's another option for you, too. You could just leave the toilet in the middle of the room and make it more of a throne.
That's what I say. You can sit out there in all your glory and just tear the walls down, but you probably are going to hit your head when you stand up if it's in one of those little potty rooms.
Oh, okay.
You know, it's like being in an airplane. And you really wish you were on the ground when that happens.
Those smaller too. All right. So, Bill, it's no big. Just bust it out, move it, and you're good to go.
You're going to be fine.
And you'll be fine with the answer when you send us your question to HomeShowRadio.com using the Ask Tom form. Send it to us. We'll answer it like these videos over here.